What's up, guys and viewers? So, I want to talk about the range break 100, which is the trade or the short that I posted on my channel, as you might have seen. So, if you haven't seen it, go and watch it. So, it was a range break 100 index, and you can always find this index on um, deriv websites, which offers a trading opportunity or a trading platform, it's a broker. So let's leave that aside. So how did I catch that trade? How was it caught? Well, like I said in the description of that shot, it was a top-down analysis strategy using it was a price action for pure analysis. It means analyzing from the higher time frame way to the lower time frame. Now, the higher time frame, as you can see, the highest here is the monthly time frame. Now, your lower time frame depends on you individually where you want to execute. Some prefer their lower time frame or the lowest of their time frame to be 4 hours where they execute. Some prefer an hour, some prefer daily, some prefer, you understand. So, but me personally, I love to go even down to the 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame to get my interest. So, how do I do that? First, I always look at the monthly time frame. What is going on? Let me see the vibe or what is actually going on the higher time frame. In my case here, monthly time frame. And as you can see, the monthly time frame, there's nothing much to say. You can see that way back from where this market started, it was trending up for I think 4 months before you bleed down to this side. And since then, as you can see from here, started looking for the market started struggling to go up. That was 2021, mid of 2021. It has been in an uptrend since then. So there's nothing much to say about. But looking at the higher time frame here, this monthly, we want to see the immediate candles, the immediate monthly candles to know what is going on. We want to look at the candlestick pattern of what is going on. And looking at this, you can see that this market is here, giving us a bearish engulfing candle here. So when we see a bearish engulfing candle, there's high probability that the market is going to go down. But if you look at the next month, you can see that it gave us, which today is the last day of the month as I'm recording this video. So we are pretty more bullish. There's no way this market is going to close below this week, this last month's week. So we have a bullish engulfing candle as this month is ending. So that's the story behind this monthly candle. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what is happening. As you are looking at the weekly time frame, I would love to see something like the chart pattern, what is going on. So even I might mark out my zones here, but as we are looking at this, you can see that this market is there's nothing much that we can say about the chart patterns here. Pretty much I can say that this market is just giving us like we are seeing something like double top, though this is not literally double top, but it's much of it. So there's nothing much here. So what I think I should do here, which I love to do, is if I can see where this market gives me something like a zone, whether a support zone or a resistance zone. So I love to look at that if I can find it on the higher time frame like the weekly. And as you can see, this is quite a good zone, a nice zone, which probably is going to be tested in the future. So there's nothing much. Now going to the daily time frame. This is where we can mark out our zones. What can we do here? Let's find our zones here. and the zone that I can see at the moment here is this one is a nice zone here that can be used because the market came here on the daily time frame, came here, went up a little bit before it broke it, and now when it goes to that same point again, moving in an uptrend direction, now you can see that market's closed below it, giving us a week for that day before it moves up. So we can see that this market is definitely going to go. It's a nice place or a nice zone. So what I did was, if you look at that short, it was a pure price action, knowing the direction of the markets. So I just drew my trend line, and after drawing my trend line, looked for an inner trend line. That was what I did. So this is the trend line that I drew on a daily time frame. So I looked for it again on the 4-hour time frame. Now this is it on the 4-hour time frame. This was where I could have entered, but I didn't enter here. Why? Because I got there late. I wasn't looking at it. And if you see on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this market gave us a bullish engulfing candle when it touched this trend line at the third point. So definitely, if we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle, we should be expecting that the market is going to do what? It's going to go up. So when it came back down, here. And once it touched this trend line along the side, that was where I entered again. This was the point that I entered the market, and I've been in this market since last week, which was 20 something of the month, and the market has been moving up. Now my overall target, you might be wondering where it is. The overall target is here. Though I should have put it at the 100% retracement, which is here, but I might move it down to the side later on. And the market has been moving up, and the reason why probably this market is not moving up at the moment right now is because we have a zone here that is causing this market not to move a little bit. And if we are to break it, then we know that this market is going to rally up to the upside. And that's just the pretty analysis that I did. Now this is a swing form of entering this market, or a swing form of trading the market. There are ways that if you're a day trader, you can do this. Of course, you can do this on lower time frames. If you are a swing trader, if you're a day trader, just come to your 1 hour, draw your trend line and your support and resistance zone. Wherever you see that they meet, you enter. That is just the simple way how I caught that jump on range break 100 trade. So in subsequent video, I'll be taking you about my setup and how I'm going to enter some instruments. These are the instruments that I trade or that I focus mainly on. These are the instruments. We have the BOM 1000, the step index 500, range break 100, and jump time. So these are the ones that I will mainly be operating on, analyzing on this channel. So you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload another video on another instrument or an update on an instrument that I might have analyzed, you're able to see it. So, and also in the next video, I'll be telling you how you too can be analyzing yourself the markets. Till next time, peace.